Tensions are now high in the St. Andrew community of Cassava Piece after gun attack on Dancehall Artiste Mavado in the area.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Tensions are running high in the Cassava Piece community in St. Andrew following a series of developments relative to the area, including the shooting up of a vehicle in which dancehall artist Mavado was traveling in. The artist, whose real name is David Brooks, had a close brush with death on Saturday morning when a man pumped multiple bullets into his vehicle in the community. The shooting was reportedly triggered by a physical confrontation involving the entertainer earlier in the day, which reportedly set the stage for the high drama that followed shortly after and possible more subsequently. Mavado's son was in a dispute with another man from Cassava Piece, and Mavado got down there and defended and boxed the man, a source said. People tell Mavado to leave the area and him never leave, so the man come back with him gun and Mavado run go in him car and the man turn on the machine and bore up Mavado vehicle. Right now, Cassava Piece hot, added the source. Residents claim that the shooter had returned with two men and opened fire at Mavado, who ran to the Constant Spring police station where he filed a report. The Constabulary Communication Unit CCU confirmed the incident and said a man has been taken into custody in relation to the shooting. The shooting happened yesterday, Saturday, at about 11:30 a.m. and Mavado made a report to the Constant Spring police station and the suspect was arrested, an officer confirmed. In the meantime, tension in the community has indeed escalated, as the police also confirmed that a Cassava Piece resident, Ian Robinson, otherwise called Gaza Man, was killed at about 9:30 p.m. on Saturday. Robinson was shot at the nearby Constant Spring market. A white AD wagon motorcar reportedly drove up, from which a man alighted from the back of the vehicle and opened fire. Gaza Man, who was hit, was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.